Hey, Greed for Money here, and ito ang aking Infinity Box Pinoy tutorials. Firstly, what we're gonna learn today is kung paano mag-register sa Infinity Box, on how to make money, how to share, and repeat lang kinabukasan. So, ganun lang ang ginagawa dito. Alright? So, firstly, nandito ka sa sulit webpage ko. Ito yung Infinity Box. Okay, so you can click on here or pwede ka mag-click dito. I would suggest na mag-right click ka and click mo tong open link in new tab. Alright, so let's do that here. Gawin natin siya dito. Click and open link in new tab. Okay, so pagka-click mo nyan, merong lalabas na window dito sa ibabaw, sa taas. So this is gonna be the Infinity Box web page. Okay, so gagawin mo lang is magre-register. So firstly, you just have to click on register. Okay, so click register and mapupunta ka sa registration page. Ito siya. Okay, so first you're gonna create your username. So let's say username is newbie, and then put your password, and then email address. Let's say newbie@gmail.com. I would suggest na gumamit ka ng Gmail email address para mas madali. Okay, kasi napaka user-friendly niyang gmail.com eh. So first name, Leo Bragas. Okay, and then so automatic na detect na yung country natin, which is Philippines. And then gagawin mo lang is itong sa under legal, meron tayong agree to the terms of service. Kung gusto mong basahin yung terms of service para mas maintindihan mo siya, just right click on here and open link in new tab. And then nandito yung terms of service. I would suggest na basahin mo yan para maintindihan mo. Alright, now I'm just gonna click on here since naiintindihan ko na yung terms of service. And then nakita mo tong blank screen na to, tong click to show. So click mo lang yan para makita mo yung verification numbers and letters. So kokopin mo lang yan. So 73JN. Alright, and then click on register. Okay, so once you click on register, that would be it. Pwede ka na mag-login sa Infinity Box account mo. Okay, so magla-login tayo. So here, I'm about to log in sa Infinity Box account ko. Infinity Box. Alright, so click. Alright, so ito yung verification letter and number, NJ or NVJ5. Alright, so click on log into account. Alright, so naglo-load yung page. Alright, so ito ang aking account information. And this is how to make money with Infinity Box. Magkiklik ka lang ng ads. Alright, so kita mo tong ads. Click mo to. Ads. And on my account, ito yung mga ads. Daming ads, no? So what I'm gonna do is magkiklik lang tayo ng ads dyan. Itong nakikita mo tong isang tong balloon na to. Balloon sign. So click lang yan. And then wait lang tayo ng approximately 30 seconds per ad. Okay, so nakikita mo yung timer. So hintayin lang natin siyang matapos. And then pag natapos yan, may makikita tayong check sign dito and sasabihin sa atin na na-credit na yung Infinity Box account mo. Okay, and then eto na siya. 1, 2, 0. Okay. So firstly, itatype mo yung verification number. I mean, 5 plus 3. So equals 8. So the reason why meron ito, para makasigurado ang Infinity Box na hindi tayo gumagamit ng auto clicker, ng parang robot na system para manduga sa system. Okay? So kaya meron yan. So verify, click. So as you can see here, meron thank you, your balance has been credited. So close page. And then balik na naman tayo dito. So napansin mo sa may ads ko, merong grayed out na balloon sign. Ibig sabihin, naklik ko na yan. So lahat ng mga blue sign is hindi ko pa nakiklik. Alright. So kiklik ko lang ulit itong isa. Then magrara na yan for 30 seconds. Then usually yung mga ads na pinapakita dito is all about making, make money program online. So lahat ng klase ng pagkakakitaan nandito. Merong mga free to join, merong mga need mong mag-invest for you to join. Pero totally optional to kung sasali ka sa mga ads na nakikita mo. Alright? So yan, 0. So 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. Okay? So verify, click. Then your balance has been credited. So close page. So ang gagawin ko next is I'm just gonna click all of these ads hanggang baba. Alright? And then I'm gonna get back to you real quick after na maklik ko sila lahat. Alright, so I just click on the final ads. So click ko lang tong close page. And as you can see, lahat sila grayed out na. Okay, so naklik ko na sila lahat. And then, i-notice mo yung balance ko dito. My balance is $3.24. I-refresh ko lang yung window. So, click refresh. And, alright, so as we can see, nadagdagan yung balance ko dito. Alright, nag-iba na siya. And, ang gagawin natin next is, I'm just gonna give you some example kung paano mag-request ng cash out. Okay? In my case, since upgraded yung account ko dito sa Infinity Box, ang minimum payout lang dito is $2 for upgraded. So, since naka $3 na ako mahigit, pwede ko nang i-cash out yan. Pero sa mga free members, like sa mga newbies, ang minimum cash out niyan is actually $5, as you can see here. So, advanced member, it's $2, that's me. And elite member, it's $1 para makapag-cash out. Alright? So, itong gagawin ko is I'm gonna request a payout. So, ito yung request payout, as you can see. So, ito na yung account balance ko. Alright? So, minimum payout is $2 and my balance is $3.29. So, net amount is $3.30. Okay, yan yung makukuha ko. Payment processor PayPal. So I'm gonna use PayPal and I'm gonna put my PayPal email address here. Alright. Kung wala ka pang PayPal, again, punta ka lang sa may ibabaw nitong page ko. Ito. You just have to register sa PayPal here or AlertPay. So I would suggest na meron ka dapat dalawa. Okay. So open ko lang tong PayPal real quick. And alright. Oh. Alright, balik tayo. So, open PayPal. Okay. So, close. Okay. So, maglalagin lang ako sa PayPal account ko real quick. Logging in. Okay. So, now, yan. Habang naglo-load siya is balik tayo dito. Sa Infinity Box account ko, ito na, nalagay ko na yung PayPal email address plus my cash out pin. Cash out pin is something na ginagawa mo. It should be like at least 4 numbers combination. Ikaw mag-create, bahala ka kung anong gusto mong number ng payout pin mo. So I'm just gonna put my payout pin number here. Okay. Payout pin number. Okay. And then click ko lang tong CAPTCHA code and eto na siya 67. So J967 and then request payout. Kiklik ko lang to. So before tayo mag-request ng payout, pakita ko lang sa inyo to na ito yung balance ko so far, $8.97. So wala pa tayong cash out so far. So magka-cash out tayo para malagyan ng pera yan. So request payout, processing your request. Alright, so you have been paid $3.29 in your PayPal account. So balik tayo sa PayPal and i-refresh ko lang tong window na to. So as we can see, binayaran ako ng Infinity Box instantly. Alright, so ganun lang kasimple. So payment complete. Balik tayo dito, Infinity Box. Refresh ko lang. Ayan o, Infinity Box completed, payment today, March 9, $3.29. So ganun ka simple. Mag-click lang ng ads and then you make money. Alright? And then, kung gusto mo siyang i-share sa mga friends mo, let's say sa Facebook, like here, share, punta ka lang sa Facebook account mo and sa Facebook wall. Ito yung Facebook wall ko to. I'm just gonna copy this information about Infinity Box. So, put ko lang yan dito. And then, anyone na makakakita nitong post ko sa Facebook and magjo-join is magiging referral ko na. So, I'm gonna make more money for that. So, they make money and I also make money for that, for doing that. Alright, so share. Okay. So, lahat na magkiklik dito sa referral link ko is magiging referral ko. Anyway, kung gusto mo malaman kung ano yung referral link mo, teka, saan na ba yan? Infinity Box, okay. So, sa Infinity Box account mo, meron ka ditong promotion tools. Kita mo ito? Promotion tools. Punta ka lang dito and you have your own promotion or referral link, which is yan. Copy-paste mo lang yan and then punta ka sa Facebook wall mo. Any website na pwede ka mag-post, post mo na. Alright, para kung sinong mga friends mo na interested sumali, they're gonna make money and you're gonna make more money for that. Alright, so that'll be all for today. If you have more questions about it, punta ka lang sa Sulit webpage ko. You can send me a PM or pwede ka rin mag-visit sa aking blog, which is workfromhome onlineph.com. Alright, so I appreciate your watching my video and you have a good one. Bye-bye.